कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। कहना है कि जो जिन लोगों को वो लाई थी, हालांकि संख्या कम है, लेकिन वो चाहती थी।
हेलो हेलो,
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के हमारे केस
ठीक है, ठीक है।
हमारा केस, हमारा इलेक्शन कमीशन में मीटिंग है, तो ये लोगों को सोचना चाहिए था कि हम सोचना चाहिए था कि हम ऑफिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आए हुए हैं। 150 आदमी को डेथ हो गया है, उसका परिवार बात नहीं कर सकता है मीडिया के साथ। हमारा बहुत सारे परिवार आया जो जिंदा है, जिसको मौत दिखाया वोटर लिस्ट से हटाने के लिए, उसका हक छीनने के लिए। तो इसी के लिए मैं जब सुना, मैं चलाया, जिधर में वो है उधर में दिल्ली पुलिस भेज दिया है। जब दिल्ली में एक्सप्लोजन होता है तो टॉप दिल्ली पुलिस कहाँ रहता है? हम दिल्ली पुलिस को ब्लेम नहीं करेंगे, हम तो ब्लेम करेंगे उसको जो माथा पे है, उसको हिमालयन इनकॉम्पिटेंस है, देश को सुरक्षा नहीं दे सकते हैं, बंगाल को ऊपर टर्चर करते हैं, आम जनता को ऊपर टर्चर करते हैं, और SIR का नाम पे सत्यानाश कर रहे हैं। इसी के लिए उनका घर में भी माँ है, बहन है, भाई है। दिल्ली पुलिस ऐसा नहीं है, हम उसको नहीं कहेंगे, वो तो इंस्ट्रक्शन पे आई हुई है।
दीदी कितने लोग
क्यों घबराहट है दीदी?
दिल्ली घबरा गया है, इसी के लिए हम आते हैं तो घबरा जाता है।
कितने परिवार?
हम 2 साल ज्यादा नहीं आए भाई, ज्यादा आने से तो हम लाखों 50 परिवार है जिसको जिंदा है लेकिन उसको मौत दिखा दिया, और 50 ले जिसको SIR में डेथ हो गया है। चुनाव आयोग में तो सब नहीं जाएगा, कल प्रेस को मीट करेगा। मीडिया है, मीडिया का साथ वो लोग मीट करेंगे, उसको दिखाने के लिए हम ले आया कि आप देखो, अब तो दिल्ली का प्रेस तो गोदी मीडिया है, आप लोग तो सच बात नहीं कहते।
ये लाई जा रहा है मैडम,
जाने दो, थैंक यू सो मच। मैं आप लोगों को आयोग से क्या कहेंगे हम अभी नहीं कह सकते हैं, जब जाएंगे तब। कोई चीज का कोई तरीका होता है, इंस्टीट्यूशन को हम डिसरेस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम पॉलिटिकल बात, हम हमारा बात कर सकते हैं।
दीदी एभाবে কি আপনারা बीजेपी भी आज प्रोटेस्ट कर रही बंगाल में? दीदी
तीन बार हम आप लोगों को बुला लेंगे, लेकिन आप सोचो ये लोगों को जाग जाके ढूंढना, उसको सताना, उसको टॉर्चर करना, उसको एट्रोसिटीज करना, ये क्या तरीका है?
दीदी एभाবে কি আপনারা
दिल्ली पुलिस किसी को नहीं कर सकता है। दिल्ली में जमींदारी चल रहा है, दिल्ली में जमींदारी चल रहा है, गरीब लोगों के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है।
दीदी बीजेपी कह रहा है कि DM वहां।
All right, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee there, as far as when it comes to the allegations that are now concerned, that seems to be taking up against when it comes to the Election Commission, against when it comes to the center-related bodies that are now concerned, because the fight over the SIR process that has now reached the topmost court of the country there, and this seems to be the petition that was previously filed by the TMC government. She had earlier written to the Chief Election Commissioner as well, stating that the process is being carried out in violation of the Representation of People's Act and the rules as well, and they have been contending that the ECI was issuing informal instructions to the electoral officers. So Kritika, on multiple fronts that we are looking at, Mamata Banerjee launching an attack. Kritika, if you can mainly highlight for us exactly what have been the allegations and the charges that have been leveled by West Bengal Chief Minister.
Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, also reached Haley Road. On your screens right now, Vijay Satinder is in fact giving you visuals from inside Banga Bhavan, where a few families have in fact gathered. They gathered here to meet with Mamata Banerjee as well. Remember, as she had spoken earlier as well, right as she had reached this very location, she had in fact said that the Delhi police as well as the administration here is after them, they're harassing them. Only 50 families, a symbolic number, she said, only 50 families have come to Delhi in order to share their atrocities and speak to media also. They'll be speaking, interacting with the media tomorrow. There is some movement currently again at the Banga Bhavan here. It seems that the Chief Minister is getting back into her car. She will be leaving from this location as well. On your screens, you can see that the cavalcade is being prepared. Currently, a lot of security deployment as well, which Mamata Banerjee has also pointed out that wherever she goes, whether it is the Chanakyapuri Bengal Niwas or whether here at Haley Road, the Delhi police and the barricades and the security team is there. In fact, she'd also urged us to show how Delhi police, the heavy deployment that has been done over here as well. On your screens, you can see Mamata Banerjee leave from the Banga Bhavan. She was here in order to show that the families, 50 such families from whom the members are still alive but have been included in the dead list, which is why they've been excluded from the SIR, are present. They're present at the Chanakyapuri Bhavan as well as at the Haley Road Bhavan as well. And she was here in order to draw light, as she says, on the atrocities that even
Delhi reactions as well. Priyanka Tibrewal is connected with us right now. Priyanka Tibrewal, as far as the special intensive row is now concerned, there are certain families that Mamata Banerjee is now speaking, saying that they also want to talk about of the grievances that they have been facing. Mamata Banerjee has been claiming that several people have lost their lives during the ongoing SIR exercise that was then taking place in West Bengal, and she seems to be blaming the poll body for it.
Energy is like totally disturbed with the SIR process, and we can see the mental instability through her words and through her actions. But we are helpless in this because this is a process which is constitutional. This is a process which is being done by the Election Commission. What grievance is she having? We do not understand. Now, if you tell me that if a doctor or somebody tells that, you shouldn't treat a patient because they will not be able to bear the pain or they'll not feel good. So that can't happen. Treatment has to be done, right? So that is exactly what Mamata Banerjee is saying, that people are being harassed. The people are not being harassed. It is the Trinamool goons who are harassing the people on the ground.
All right.
Because she do not want this process to take place.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyanka Tibrewal, for joining in. Because, Kritika, what about that meeting that she was supposed to have as far as when it comes to the EC escalation is now concerned? Because a time was set by the poll body asking when it comes to the TMC leadership. All right, Tausif Rahman of the TMC is also connected with us right now. Tausif Rahman, the fight that has been taken to the highest court of the country, but it seems that the SIR continues to be the topmost focus as far as the TMC is now concerned, where Mamata Banerjee, is now in the national capital currently.
Good morning. Well, I don't understand, what is the problem if she is there in Delhi? Is there any, bylaws, or if she is doing anything unconstitutional? I don't think so. Yes, of course, the Supreme Court has its own law, but मुझे नहीं लगता कोई इसमें अपराध है अगर वो दिल्ली में खड़ी हैं. हाँ, ये बात अलग है, अगर किसी को उनका खून करना है तो उनका मर्डर करना है तो आप कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज बंगाल बीजेपी लीडर्स तो यही बोलते हैं ना कि वो जो खर्ग होता है वो खर्ग से उनका गला काट दिया जाएगा जब वो पावर में आएंगे बंगाल में. और वो वीडियो आपने भी देखा होगा. तो वो तो अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट के लिए लड़ रही है, वो बंगाल के लिए लड़ रही है. बंगाल के 10 करोड़ की जो आबादी है उसकी लड़ाई की जा रही है. उनसे कहा जा रहा है आप अपनी दादा का लेटर लेकर आइए, नाना का लेटर लेकर आइए. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर आस्किंग ऑल्सो. कैन Narendra Modi show his grandfather's letter or documents or Aadhaar card or whatever he had, if he can show something? So we are okay with it. But you are torturing just because we are Bengalis. You are murdering all the Bengalis staying in Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Maharashtra. So she is there for a constitutional right. So I don't think so there's any fuss about it.
That seems to be a highly provocative statement there, Tausif, as far as when it comes to the political discourse that is now being witnessed this time, and Mamata Banerjee versus the Election Commission of India, because Shefali, that seems to be the main contention that we are looking at as far as when it comes to the special intensive revision, the exercise there, and she has been calling it as an unlawful maneuver that is designed when it comes to disenfranchising legitimate voters across the poll-bound state of West Bengal. Shefali?
Sorry, can you please... Could you please repeat
yes,
that
what
question?
are the grievances that Mamata Banerjee seems to be raising, regarding the SIR?
Yes, so as we know that Mamata Banerjee is in Delhi currently, and before leaving her residence here in Delhi, she had made number of claims saying that the Banga Bhavan, where the SIR family victims are being stayed, where the people due to SIR has been died, the BLO, their family are staying and is being guarded by the police, and have leveled allegation against the Home Minister, saying when the Home Minister comes to West Bengal, the red carpet treatment is given to him, but when they are coming, they are being guarded and not being able to meet these people. So after leaving from here, she went to Chanakyapuri's Banga Bhavan, and then later she went to Haley Road's Banga Bhavan, where she tried to speak to the affected people. And now, as far as the information that we are getting is that she's coming back to the residence at South Avenue, Abhishek Banerjee's residence, and she'll be here shortly. And she's been continuously saying that due to SIR there are many illegal activities being done, where they are not being, the SIR is what is being done is not in the right format, and the BLOs who have died, she's raising numerous grievances regarding it.
All right. Well, Mamata Banerjee characterizing as far as the exercise is concerned, in a way calling it as harassment, saying that several deaths that have also been reported and it violates the Representation of People's Act, and she has said that several letters that she has also addressed to the CEC, where she has sounded an alarm of what she has been describing as an institutional overreach and a dangerous erosion of trust in the democratic processes.
আপনারা ভালো মতন সুস্থ থাকুন। আমি বেঁচে এসেছিলাম, আপনাদের সাথে কালকে আবার দেখা হবে, বিকেলে আবার দেখা হবে। অভিষেকও এসছে আমার সাথে, আমরা সবাই আছি, ঠিক আছে? চিন্তা করবেন না, আপনারা অনেক কিছু হারিয়েছেন, চিন্তা করবেন না, খারাপ লাগছে দেখে। আমি ইলেকশন কমিশনে চিন্তা করবেন, এটা আমাদের জায়গা, এটা দিল্লির জায়গা নয়। পুলিশকে আমি যা বলার বলে এসেছি।
Screens are visuals of Mamata Banerjee inside the Bongo Bhavan. Now remember, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, viewers, has taken her fight to the national capital. Today she's set to meet the CEC as well, and she's also filed a petition in the Supreme Court. In the video that you're seeing right now, this is Mamata Banerjee who's meeting families. Now Mamata Banerjee claims that these are families who've lost their loved ones because of the SIR exercise, and she says she's going to fight for them. So you saw she walked up to a few of them and also embraced one of the families and a child who was present there. Here Mamata Banerjee is blaming the centre over the deaths of BLOs, accusing the EC, the Election Commission, of giving undue advantage to the BJP. So what we are seeing unfold on screens right now is Mamata Banerjee taking her fight over the SIR issue to the national capital. She was at the Bongo Bhavan. Then she also made allegations against the Delhi police, where she said that this is where the victims are, and the Delhi police has entirely barricaded the Bongo Bhavan. And I have gone ahead and I have told the police not to harass the victims who are over here, and we are going to stand with you. This is the latest. All eyes are also going to be on the meeting that Mamata Banerjee is set to have with the EC today. Currently she is at Abhishek Banerjee's residence.
Movement that we are looking at the national capital, as far as Mamata Banerjee in her classic style coming out to address the media workers as well, and saying that she is going to take up and continue the fight there when it comes to the highest courts of the country, as far as when it comes to the poll body, because the poll body itself having invited when it comes to the TMC to address their grievances.
उसको टॉर्चर कर रहा है, घर में जाके खून ढूंढ रहा है, कोई आया कोई नहीं आया। क्यों नहीं आएगा? अगर जिसको अभी को डेथ हो गया है वो नहीं आ सकता है, मीडिया को नहीं बता सकता है, वो लोगों का हक है आने का। वो क्या इंडियन का नागरिक नहीं है? जो लोग जिंदा है उसको मृत्यु बना दिया, डेथ बना दिया। इसी के लिए थोड़ा से लोग आया, ज्यादा सो नहीं आया। दफा है कि हमारा भी SIR चल रहा है, हम भी बिजी है, हमारा भी बजट सेशन चल रहा है, लेकिन दिल्ली पुलिस का हरकत देखो। हम दिल्ली पुलिस को गाली नहीं देंगे कि उसका फॉल्ट नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोग पूरा देखो, पुलिस को दिखाने दो। आप लोग तो बैरिकेड कर दिया उसको। आप लोग प्लीज मेहरबानी करके आप लोग हटा जाओ, थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ। आप लोग पुलिस को
साइड हो जाओ भाई। हेलो,
पुलिस को लेके आया, दीदार में हमारा लोग है, एक पूरा बास भर्ती करके ले आया। देखो आप पुलिस को दिखाइए, हम तो बात दिखाइए, पुलिस को दिखाइए।
Well, Kritika, if you can tell us exactly who are these families that Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister, seems to be talking about, and where they all come from? Because here she seems to be claiming that multiple people there, BLOs including, under high pressure and under high stress, have lost their lives to the SIR exercise, and she has now taken up the fight right from West Bengal to the national capital.
Well, yes, this is what Mamata Banerjee spoke about when she reached the Banga Bhavan at Haley's Road. She said that multiple, in fact, families have lost their loved ones during the SIR exercise due to overpressure, and a lot of them are also 50, a symbolic number, she said, is currently present in the national capital at Chanakyapuri as well as at the Banga Bhavan as well. We're also hearing that a lot of families have been excluded. People whose name, who are yet alive, but still their name has been excluded from the SIR list, have also reached the national capital as well, and tomorrow is when she is trying to organize a media interaction with them. A few families are currently on your screens. We're showing you the Banga Bhavan here at Haley Road, and the other families are staying at the Chanakyapuri Bhavan. Also would like to show you the barricades that Mamata Banerjee was talking about. All across this road, in fact, Delhi police have set up their barricades. There is also the anti-riot vehicle that was also present a while back as well, when Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had come in to this area. You can also see the security deployment that was also beefed up entirely when there was an alert of her moving to the Haley Road as well. This, remember, Mamata Banerjee is now attacking as well. She's saying that the Delhi police is only being deployed to, in fact, cover up any dissent, which she says is a fundamental right. She's also said that whenever it is the Home Minister Amit Shah coming to West Bengal, there is a red carpet treatment that is meted out to him. But whenever she is here, in order to only speak of the rights of the people who have been wronged here, in this case, she says wronged by the SIR, she's being stopped by doing so. She also wanted us to show us
the delegation seems to be in the national capital, and series of allegations and charges that is now being leveled by Mamata Banerjee. She here being in the national capital has been talking about when it comes to the certain deaths of the BLOs that have happened, and she is now going to be raising those grievances in before the poll body when the meeting happens. Here's what she said.
उसको टॉर्चर कर रहा है, घर में जाके खून ढूंढ रहा है, कोई आया कोई नहीं आया। क्यों नहीं आएगा? अगर जिसको आदमी को डेथ हो गया है वो नहीं आ सकता है, मीडिया को नहीं बता सकता है। वो लोगों का हक है आने का। वो क्या इंडियन का नागरिक नहीं है? जो लोग जिंदा है उसको मृत्यु बना दिया, डेथ बना दिया। इसी के लिए
Shefali, when are we expecting, and how big is this delegation that Mamata Banerjee seems to be leading on part of the TMC when the meeting happens?
Yes, a 15-member delegation will be going to meet the CEC at around 4 p.m. today. Currently, Mamata Banerjee has came back to the residence of Abhishek Banerjee. We are currently outside the residence. She has went to meet the family members of the affected family members who are currently at both Chanakyapuri's Banga Bhavan and Haley Road's Banga Bhavan, and she has been making many claims, saying that the police have barricaded and is not letting the media also meet these affected families, and is saying that it's not just the police that she needs to talk about. It's because of the Home Minister Amit Shah, because of which all of this is happening.
So dramatic escalation there that we are looking at, the standoff between the TMC and the poll body as far as when it comes to the upcoming elections that would be taking place in the state of West Bengal. The fight that has now happened in the national capital, where we are looking at as far as the DMC delegation is concerned, that would be taking up their SIR grievances in front of the poll body. Kritika and Shefali, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Back after a short break.